Hey guys, I got this product to review. This is an electrostatic glove to remove pet hair. Now this can be used for all of your pets in the home. As you can see, we have a large dog here, but we also have some cats in the house. So this is a really great item because it's going to remove hair from everywhere. As you can see, he loves this and it's picking up so much hair. So this uses a static technology, so it automatically attracts lint, dust, hair, whatever you have in the house. Now this soft bristle here can be used right on your pets. It's not going to hurt them, and so he loves this. So you can use this on your animals as well. But the great thing about it too is our cats are always hanging out in this chair because it's so soft. You can use it right on the chair as well, and it picks the hair up great. Now because of its compact size, you can also bring this with you when you're heading out of town, heading over to the neighbor's house, wherever you're going. You can go ahead and bring this with you. Also, this has you can put your fingers in the holes here, which provides you with really great contouring of the hand to be able to gently brush them just like you would pet them. Another great thing with this is machine washable. So you can go ahead and throw this right in the laundry, or if you prefer, just go ahead and wash it with some water. And attached is a loop here so that you can hang it to dry. So overall, I am really satisfied with this product. It's picking up so much hair. Go check it out.